Have a review meeting, I should say maybe the last review meeting, relating to the preparation of welcoming the G20, which is to be held on the 17th of this month and 18th. These 2 days the G20 meeting. So we already had a detailed meeting with all the concerned departments, and I'm happy to tell you that we are more or less ready for welcoming the G20 meeting, which is scheduled to be held in Meghalaya, in Shillong, on the 15th and 17th of this month.
Well, what are the special arrangements the state is making for this?
Well, I don't think I'll be able to tell you exactly, because see, be it for the beautification, repairing of infrastructure, and then be it security, be it transportation. So everything we discuss, all the details, and as I said to you, we are ready now to welcome, and we are ready now to to see that the G20 is held in Shillong successfully.
So any idea how many foreign delegates will be coming and from which countries?
More or less, see this G20, you please go to the website, you will know all the countries, the G20, and then more or less, not less than around 120 delegates will be here in Shillong.
And where the accommodation and all?
Accommodation is done at Marriott Courtyard, in Marriott Courtyard, and even the meeting will be held there.
Well, we have seen one problem we in our state we are facing, state capital we are facing is that of traffic jam, massive traffic jam. During the G20 summit, how the government will assure that this traffic jam can be?
Yeah, this is also one of the area where we discussed today. So instruction has been given to the concerned department, and then to the police personnel and to the SP traffic to work out all the details, and instruction has been given very clearly from which road this delegate VVIP will come in, and which road should they again go back. So all these details I cannot tell you right now, but of course all these areas has been discussed in detail with different departments, with the senior officers.
Will there be any inspection?
Sorry?
Any inspection of the
That is done. That is done. All the concerned, as I said, with concerned department, we have already instructed them, and now the work is ongoing, and we will be able to complete it on or before 15th of this month.
Nalor ka ka jing Pynkhreh ni ka G20 to Pynkhreh is ang boy dia kalon order apa sila.
Ya kan ya kata ni law and order is ongoing. Ya kan not necessarily being the grand law and order. Then we would like to assure that the law and order is okay, the situation is good, and those delegates, VVIPs, I should say VVIPs, who are reaching Shillong, they'll be happy, and not only that, it will be also a pride for the whole state of Meghalaya.